Hey everyone, how's it going tonight? Tonight's video is going to be how to change your Uconnect system from daytime mode, even though it's 10 o'clock at night. How to change the daytime mode to display this nighttime mode so you're not blinded by the light from the Uconnect system when you're driving at night. So if you guys have seen the video of my STI Limited, very similar concept for the Jeep as well too. What you'll want to do is you'll want to head over this way to this guy right here. It looks like it has a watch, but that's really your instrument panel. This is for your instrument panel. This is for your ambient lighting, so footwell illumination as well as your dome lights and all that good stuff. So what you'll want to do on this guy here, there is kind of like a pretty indented notch to where when you scroll all the way up on it like this, second to brightest setting, it will show your daytime view. Then if you scroll it one more time up to the brightest you could go at the very top, that's when these reading lights come on as well as the dome light. So to get it to go to dark, you'll want to go down one click and then down one more click. That is how you do it. And then as you see here, you could even dim it to where it's almost all the way dark, and it also darkens your instrument panel up too. This is as bright as your instrument panel will be at night, by the way too guys, with having this be the brightest you could have for navigation at night too. So that is how that works, you guys. This navigation system's super great. You're able to move around the screen here. You can pinch and widen. It's a little hard with doing it by one finger there, but that's a little bit how you do it. It's very similar to an iPhone with the pinch to zoom and stuff like that. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys, so you're not cruising around at night with this super bright screen here blinding you. Well, thanks again for watching, guys. I hope that this video was able to help y'all out, and I hope you guys have a great night. Until next time, everyone. Bye-bye.